Hi friends, I'm Mary, a nutrition educator for CalFresh Healthy Living for the University of California Cooperative Extension, and welcome to Harvest of the Month. This month, we will be learning about olives. Olives are egg-shaped with shiny skin and have a pit inside. Olive trees are evergreen with small leathery leaves and gnarled branches. The Spanish name for olive is aceituna. Olives are a small fruit that grow on trees and are native to the Mediterranean, Asia, and Africa. Did you know that olives are picked and stored in jars or pressed to make olive oil? Want to learn more about preserving olives? Reach out to your local UC Master Food Preservers. Olives grow great here in California's Mediterranean climate. If you look close enough, you may be able to see some growing locally in the Central Sierras.
Susan Bragstad. I've been farming since 95. Bought this farm in 98 and have made olive oil every year since. A ledger came out about Calaveras olive oil. I thought, nobody's doing it here. I'll give it a try. So that's how I got started. Harvest is hard work, and hauling the olives to especially to Fairfield. They do such a good job, though it's worth it. Standing around the bin and sorting the olives, it's actually fun. And we do it in November, so it's nice and cold. What I do is I bring the oil home in big drums and put it in my basement at the house, a concrete basement, nice and cool. Let it settle over the winter. I wrap it in blankets and turn the electric blanket on very low so it settles. And by April, because the market starts in May, in April I start bottling. And it's crystal clear. This year I had 3 tons, 120 gallons, 50 cases. I get 16 cases of wine bottle size, 50 cases of half wine bottles, and then about 15 cases, I call them my bambinos, my little baby 5-ounce bottles, because that's where the olives are productive, is on the flat parts and not the slope parts. I think it's because the rain runs off rather than soaks in. Olive trees, I think I have 400. They lay their egg on the olive. The worm goes into the meat and ruins it. Biggish, round olive. You're not supposed to use the great big ones that you can. Don't harvest those and put them in with your olive oil olives, because you're supposed to use the smaller olives for oil and the big ones for curing. And the big ones, they say, binds and doesn't release oil.
Olives are a great source of vitamin E, help protect cells in our body from damage, and keep our immune system healthy. Olives are also full of healthy fats that are good for our skin and brain. Olives are also full of antioxidants that help protect our cells from damage. Want some olives? Try this hummus and veggie pita sandwich from eatfresh.org. What is your favorite way to enjoy olives? Thank you for joining us for this spotlight of olives as our harvest of the month. How will you enjoy olives this month? See if you can find olives in your school cafeteria, the grocery store, or in a garden. Thanks for watching. See you next month.